What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add links or backlinks to your WordPress website posts and pages using the WordPress blocks editor into a simple, fast, effective and free method. But before I can continue, let me show you one example of backlinks and links, okay? If you open, for example, a blog post of visualmodo.com, you can see that into this post there is a link. This link directs to this other posts from visualmodo.com. How to add these links on your WordPress website is what I'm gonna learn to this video, okay? Before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in our choose internet on the site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing, you need to know where you want to apply these links. I'm gonna apply links to posts on my blog, okay? So I'm gonna go to WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over posts, click on all posts, and find the post where I would like to apply a link on. I would like to apply a link on the Hello World post, okay? I'm gonna click on it in order to open the posts editor. And right here we have the post content. Let me make it a little bigger, okay? Imagine that this all is the post content, okay? Now I would like to apply a link just like this, just right here, okay? Edit or delete it. How to apply a link on it? First, you need to select the piece of content where you would like to apply the link on. So with your mouse, we're gonna select the content, just like this. Now you need to know where you would like to link. You can apply an internal link, a link to a page of your website or own website, or an external link, a link to a page from other website. For example, this is an external link. If I add a link to Borders WordPress plugin in WordPress.org domain, this domain isn't mine, so it's an external link. I'm gonna copy this, copy the entire link, okay, include the HTTPX, okay, it's the best option. And after selecting the content, I'm gonna click into this button right here. You can use Ctrl K, okay, in the case that you want, but you can click on this button and apply the link. Now click into this button to submit, and here is a link to the Borders plugin. If you click on the link now, you're gonna be able to see three options. The option 1 is to copy the link, the option 2 is to remove the link, and the option 3 it's the edit link. Click on edit link. Right here we can change the link, we can change the text, or you can have some advanced options. Open the link in a new tab or make it no follow, okay? This is up to you, okay? This is formats of links. You can, if someone clicks on the links, it goes to a new tab on the browser, it opens a new tab on the browser, or make the link no follow. In the case that you do not trust so much on the link, you do not want to share SEO juice with this other link, you can mark it as no follow in the case that you want. All is up to you. Now save change, save the post, and if you review the post, the link gonna be there. If I click, it gonna opens a new tab on my window in my browser to the Borders plugin. You can do the same with your website internal links in the case that you want, in a simple, fast, effective way, okay? And of course you can apply links in this way into posts, into pages, into products on your e-commerce, into widgets, into any kind of part of your site, okay? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borders WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg. Or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, for Site.gallery, that is a place where we can promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game designs. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.